So that's the director of Impact Dhaka, by the way, that Vishwamitra guy there. You can blame him for everything else. And so it's a set of social technologies, they're called. So it's a set of ways in which we can interact in a way that makes it easier to collaborate and to have new ideas, etc. So that panel is clearly not according to Art of Hosting. And Art of Hosting means also making people feel at ease and making people feel that they can speak. Okay? So my attempt here is also to invite you to be part of this conversation, right? It's a conversation that takes place with 4 people because one person, rather than be here, decided to have a car crash. And that says a lot, huh? Actually, we wish him well, that he's actually recovering. I don't think he's mortally hurt, but he did have to go to hospital. So we have one less, but it gives us more time to chat between us. And the theme today is very critical. I heard yesterday the word inclusion about 60 times. You know, everybody talked, I can't start a count. But it certainly was one of the central themes. We want to build a Bangladesh that is inclusive. We believe in the power of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship as a way to express yourself, but also entrepreneurship as a way of encapsulating a new model of Bangladesh, right? One in which everybody can be an entrepreneur, says Mohammed Yunus. And what does that mean in practice? You know? And I'm reflecting on what was discussed yesterday, and I think business as usual is not an option. Social business as usual is not an option. And so what needs to change? Yes? Can you not hear me? Really?
I think you're in mic now.
Okay. So there will be one microphone for me, and the other one is for all of you. Okay? Not for me, for the panel, and one for the public. But let's start in an unorthodox manner with a question from the public. Okay? We're doing it the other way around. I told you that I was going to be disruptive. Huh? I want to hear from you 3 questions or 3 observations about inclusive entrepreneurship that you want everybody to hear about. Let's start like this. Lift your hand if you have one, and not if you have one of those rackets. You have nothing to say about inclusive entrepreneurship. Nothing to say about inclusive entrepreneurship. Why the hell?